YouTube Shorts review. Let's go.
3 insane things you can actually bring through TSA.
Frozen liquids. If water or any other liquid is completely frozen, you're allowed to bring it on board. Live lobsters. They can travel in your carry-on as long as they're in a clear, sealed container. Microwaves. An unusual item for carry-on luggage, but yes, the rules allow it.
Have you ever wondered what will happen if you use 100 charger for one phone?
For comparison, another iPhone 6 was charged normally. At first, using 100 adapters made charging faster, but in the end, the difference was only 6%.